In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update addresses in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're updating your company's information or modifying a customer's address, we'll walk through the steps to ensure everything is accurate on your invoices. So let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to log into QuickBooks Online. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the QuickBooks Online login page by typing in qbo.intuit.com. Enter your QuickBooks credentials to access your account. It's important to ensure you're using the correct username and password associated with your QuickBooks account to avoid any login issues. Once you're successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to your company's settings. In the upper right-hand corner of the home page, look for the settings icon, which might look like a small gear. Clicking on this will drop down a menu. From this menu, select the option that says Account and Settings, sometimes referred to as Company Settings. This will take you to a new page where various aspects of your account can be managed. On the left side menu, you'll see several categories. Click on Company, or it might also be listed as Company Info. Here you'll be able to edit your company's legal address. This address is important because it automatically appears on your invoices, reflecting your business location. To make any changes, look for the edit icon, which typically looks like a pencil next to the address section. Once you click on it, you'll be able to modify any details such as the street address, city, state, zip code, and country. Make sure to double check for accuracy, as this information is vital for the proper displays on your documents. After making your corrections or updates, you'll want to save these changes to ensure they're applied. Click on Save and then follow it up by clicking Done. This confirms and seals your updates, making them official in your QuickBooks account. If you also need to adjust a customer's address that appears on an invoice, there's a simple way to do this as well. Head over to the Sales tab on the left-hand menu and then click on Customers. Find the customer whose address details need updating and click on Edit. Within this screen, you'll be able to update the address fields. After you've made the necessary changes, remember to save to ensure the new information is in place. Finally, to see your updated addresses in action, you can open an existing invoice or create a new one. The newly updated company and customer addresses should automatically populate on the invoices, reflecting the changes you've just made. And there you have it. Updating addresses in QuickBooks Online is a straightforward process, ensuring that your invoices are accurate and professional. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found these instructions helpful. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on using QuickBooks Online to efficiently manage your business.